I'm out here today and I'm going to trim our fruit trees and our grapevines. They're a little bit overgrown, so I'm going to trim those to size. Can you ask Papa a question for me?
What?
Ask Papa a question for me.
What is?
So, you have a pawpaw tree.
Yeah.
And at the base, it splits into two.
Yeah.
What should I do? Can you ask him that?
Yeah.
So I'm out here trimming our fruit trees and grapevines. For the fruit trees, I'm going to trim them about as high as I can reach and just trim them up a little bit. We like to prune our fruit trees and grapevines during the winter before the sap rises, especially trimming large branches. A lot of this hasn't been pruned in a couple of years, due to everything we've had going on and several changes made in our lives more recently. A lot of people get worried about messing up something when they prune their fruit trees. We've found that trees and vines are fairly forgiving. The main concern with fruit trees is keeping their size under control. A huge tree is more difficult to care for and harvest. One thing that I have done while trimming these trees is not only have I trimmed the top, but I've trimmed along the sides so that it doesn't grow out in the pathways that we have here in our orchard. While I'm out here, I'm also going to cut any branches that are sticking straight up because they won't produce any fruit. Alright, it's a little while later and I still have a few more rows of grapevines to prune here. With grapevines, last year's wood will produce this year's growth. Anything green can be cut off anytime. When cutting old wood, we only like to do that in the winter. These vines aren't producing yet. During the growing season, we cut off any fruit that begins developing in the first 3 years. This helps plants get better established. We follow the protocol found in Leviticus 19:23-25 and find it interesting that most modern agricultural advice concerning grapes is the same. Thank you for watching this week's video. We hope you found it helpful. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.